Today we begin the journey of restoring an abandoned Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing, a legendary classic car that once ruled the roads with its beauty, power, and elegance, but over time was forgotten, left in silence, and slowly destroyed by dust, rust, rain, and neglect. When we first discovered this car, it was standing quietly like a lost treasure, its once shiny body now covered with corrosion, its engine frozen, its interior torn apart, and its soul almost gone, making many people believe that this masterpiece could never be saved again. However, for us, this was not just an old car, it was history, passion, and engineering excellence waiting for a second chance. With strong determination and love for restoration, we decided to bring this iconic machine back to life, no matter how much time, effort, and patience it required. We started with a deep and careful cleaning process, slowly removing years of dirt, mud, oil, and grease using soft brushes, water pressure, and special solutions. Listening to the calming ASMR sounds as every wipe revealed hidden beauty underneath. Each sound, each movement, and each moment felt like healing the car piece by piece. After cleaning, we moved on to disassembly, carefully removing every single part including the hood, wheels, engine components, wiring, interior panels, and especially the famous gullwing doors, which needed extra attention because even the smallest mistake could damage their unique structure. Next came the heart of the car, the engine, which was in terrible condition after years of inactivity, with rusted cylinders, blocked oil passages, damaged seals, and stuck pistons, making it completely lifeless. We patiently dismantled the engine, soaked parts in cleaning solutions, removed corrosion, polished metal surfaces, replaced broken components, and carefully rebuilt everything step by step, making sure that each part worked in harmony with the others. This process required hours of testing, measuring, adjusting, and rechecking, because even a small error could affect performance. Slowly, the engine began to regain its strength, preparing itself to breathe again after years of silence. After the mechanical work, we focused on restoring the body, which had suffered from deep rust spots, cracks, and faded paint. Using sanding machines and manual tools, we removed damaged layers carefully, smoothing the surface little by little until it was ready for primer. Then came the painting process, where multiple layers of high-quality paint were applied with precision, followed by polishing and finishing to achieve a mirror-like shine. As the new color reflected light, the car started to look like a brand new masterpiece, bringing back its original charm and luxury. The interior restoration was another emotional part of this journey, as the seats were broken, the foam was damaged, the leather was cracked, and the dashboard had lost its beauty. We replaced worn-out materials, installed new cushioning, stitched fresh leather covers, restored old meters, repaired switches, and polished every surface, transforming the inside into a comfortable, stylish, and elegant space once again. Sitting inside now feels like stepping back into the golden era of classic automobiles, where craftsmanship and quality were the highest priorities. Finally, after weeks and months of dedication, struggle, and passion, the time came for final assembly. Every part was returned to its original place, from the engine and transmission to the lights, glass, trims, and door mechanisms. Each connection was tested, each screw was tightened, and each system was inspected again and again to ensure perfection. Then came the most powerful and emotional moment of the entire restoration, the first engine start. As the key turned, everyone held their breath, and suddenly the engine roared back to life with a smooth, confident sound, proving that this forgotten machine was now fully reborn. In that moment, all the hard work, sleepless nights, and endless efforts felt completely worth it. From a silent, broken, and abandoned car to a shining symbol of excellence and beauty, this Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing has been transformed into a true masterpiece once again. This restoration is not just about repairing metal and engines. It is about respecting history, preserving legends, and proving that, with patience, skill, and passion, even the most damaged dreams can be rebuilt and restored to perfection.